In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter opening balance in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and a few practical tips to make sure your numbers line up from day one. Before we jump in, a quick note on what an opening balance is. It's the snapshot of your accounts at the moment you start using Xero, essentially the totals carried over from your previous system or from your manual records. To make this smooth, have your closing trial balance or a list of account balances ready as at your start date, plus any bank statement totals for that same date. The goal is simple. Your Xero balance sheet on the conversion date should match your old records exactly. Start by heading to your Xero dashboard for the organization you want to set up. From there, open Settings. Depending on your layout, settings may appear in the main menu or under your organization name in the top corner. If you manage multiple organizations, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. Inside Settings, find and open Conversion Balances. This is where you tell Xero what your accounts looked like on your start date. On this page, you'll see your chart of accounts. Work methodically down the list, entering the amounts from your trial balance as at the conversion date. Enter the exact figures shown in your old system. Do not re-age, prorate, or guess. If the screen shows debit and credit columns, match what your trial balance says for each account so assets and expenses appear as debits and liabilities, equity and income appear as credits. For bank accounts, use the statement balance as at the start date. For accounts receivable and accounts payable, enter the total outstanding customers and suppliers balance respectively, not the individual invoices. That detail can be imported separately later if needed. Don't forget tax or sales tax control accounts and retained earnings or owner's equity, which often complete the balancing. If you see a difference line at the bottom, that means the debits and credits don't yet net to Xero. Double-check figures, signs, and that you're using the right date. It helps to reconcile totals to your source trial balance after every few entries to catch errors early. When everything matches and the difference is zero, save your changes. You can return to this screen to update balances if you spot something later, but once you're confident, consider using lock dates in Xero to prevent accidental edits. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened conversion balances, entered your opening figures, and saved. Your reports and reconciliations in Xero will now start from the correct baseline, making day-to-day bookkeeping accurate from the very first transaction.